astronomers have discovered many exoplanets orbiting distant host stars. Typically, they use a simple method, which is to observe and measure the dimming of stars. Based on those clues, they can calculate and identify exoplanets in the universe. Additionally, analyzing how light changes when a star dims can help scientists analyze the planet's atmosphere. But this method only applies to planets whose orbits pass in front of their host star and within our observational line of sight. In a new study published in the Royal Astronomical Society journal on October 20, 2020, scientists reversed the question: which stars are close enough that if extraterrestrials lived there, they could observe and track Earth? After carefully analyzing nearby stars, surprisingly, there are over 1,000 star systems where, if extraterrestrials exist, they might be observing and tracking Earth. Let's join the interesting journey to find the answer in today. Enjoy watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the Odyssey channel and turn on notifications. Now, let's explore together. Are we truly unique in this infinite universe? Does an extraterrestrial civilization exist, where aliens live and have been searching for us just as we search for them? These have always been endless mysterious questions in the astronomy community. For decades, since humans began observing and decoding the mysteries of the sky, we have continuously searched for and collected clues about extraterrestrials. Perhaps that journey will continue for a long time, because to date, we haven't found any extraterrestrial civilization. As we know, until now, the search for extraterrestrial civilizations has focused only on places considered to have potential signs of life similar to Earth, such as planets with liquid water, suitable atmospheres, etc. And to detect those planets, scientists have used telescopes to observe and track the light of stars. The change in light from those stars will be the only evidence of the presence of exoplanets. S in the exoplanet. To date, over 4,000 exoplanets have been confirmed. Among them, many exoplanets have suitable distances to their host stars and sufficiently thick atmospheres. These are considered potential exoplanets for life. But the reality is, we still haven't found any signals from extraterrestrial civilizations. Are they hiding from us, or perhaps our science and technology aren't advanced enough to detect them? Maybe we need more powerful approaches. With that thought, a group of astronomers from Cornell University in the USA explored a completely new perspective. They built a model to calculate how many star positions contain planets that could observe Earth. To achieve this, the team reversed the formula we used to search for exoplanets. They identified distant stars where, using formulas similar to ours, civilizations could detect Earth when it transits the Sun. Lisa, a key member of the research team, shared, "Think about the positions of other stars and ask whether they can see Earth. In case they can see Earth, how would it appear? Would it be a pale blue dot characteristic of a planet with a biosphere?" As humans, we've invented specialized telescopes and observatories to search for exoplanets. Notable examples include the Kepler telescope, the TESS exoplanet hunter, and infrared telescopes. Thanks to which, as of October 1, 2020, in this search, humanity has discovered 4,354 confirmed exoplanets orbiting 3,218 stars and star systems. So what if these exoplanets also have civilizations and they have telescopes similar to ours? How many star positions among them could detect Earth? The researchers narrowed the scope to within about 326 light years. They calculated that there are about 1,004 star positions where, if civilizations exist, they could also see Earth. At this distance, they could not only detect Earth but also detect chemical traces of life on Earth. Among those 1,004 positions, 508 positions have observations of Earth transiting for about 10 hours when Earth passes in front of the Sun. atmosphere during our planet. After the studies calculated the number of suitable star positions, they also calculated that among them, about 5% of star systems are too young for a civilization to develop. The remaining 95% belong to stars that could have sustained life for billions of years. Identifying 1,004 star positions that could see Earth is an extremely interesting finding. It plays a significant role in identifying potential locations to search for extraterrestrial life. The research team's next mission is to focus on searching for intelligent life around the 1,004 identified stars. If any civilization exists among these, perhaps they are also observing life on our Earth. Then, establishing communication between the two civilizations is something we could achieve. Recently, a study published in the Astrophysical Journal on June 15, 2020. A team of scientists from the University of Nottingham in the UK revealed that there could be up to 36 civilizations existing in the Milky Way. The scientists based their research on a previous study of the Drake equation, a famous equation proposed in 1961 by astronomer Frank Drake. This equation helps calculate the number of extraterrestrial civilizations. Based on previous results, the science team at the University of Nottingham developed their own method. Through this, they determined there are 36 active civilizations in the Milky Way. They assumed that life on these planets forms similarly to Earth, and their host stars orbit similarly to the Sun. Currently, humans can create signals transmitted into space, such as radio waves from satellites, for a short time. They believe that those 36 civilizations also have the ability to produce signals, assuming this number is accurate, on average in a galaxy, about every 17,000 light years. We would encounter one civilization. Therefore, if we still use our existing technology, communicating with other civilizations is impossible, because the average distance of 17,000 light years is too great for current technology. But we should not lose faith because of this. On November 16, 1974, humanity's first message was sent into space, called the Arecibo message. This is considered a letter sent via radio waves, containing 1,679 signals, encoded in binary and transmitted at a frequency of 2,380 megahertz. The total duration of this message was about 3 minutes, containing data about the planets in the solar system, biological DNA structure, the shape of a human body, along with some other important information about Earth. The scientists aimed directly at the M31 star cluster descendant. This is a star cluster about 25,000 light years away from Earth. Therefore, this message would also take nearly that long to reach the star cluster, and at least that much more time for us to receive a response if there is one. This is considered evidence of humanity's technological achievements, rather than an effort to establish communication with civilizations. On October 9, 2008, a high-energy radio signal was also sent by scientists to the planet Gliese 581c. This is a rocky exoplanet, expected to have intelligent life. This signal contained 501 messages selected from a competition on the social network Vega. It was sent from the RT-70 radio telescope in Ukraine. According to calculations, this signal will reach its destination in 2029. Since this exoplanet is only about 20 light years away from Earth. Besides these messages, many other messages have also been sent into space, with the hope that somewhere far away, a civilization will receive them, and they will reply to us. But besides searching for civilizations in outer space, sending signals into space was also warned about by Stephen Hawking. He believed that our transmission of signals into space harbors many dangers. After all, we do not know who or what is out there in the universe. It's quite possible they don't. You see, even Stephen Hawking was skeptical about the existence of intelligent life beyond Earth. What about your perspective? Do you believe that in the vast universe out there exist civilizations similar to ours? Please leave comments below the video to share your opinions with everyone. Today, Talk 2V and you have together explored newly published research about over 1,000 star positions that could observe and monitor Earth. Wishing you an enjoyable video viewing. Now, please select the next video on the left or right side of the screen to join Pat2V in discovering more mysteries of the universe. Looking forward to seeing you in the upcoming videos. Goodbye, everyone.